Right now, a family and Davis. Police say Michael Dunn shot and killed the 17-year-old last week after dispute over loud music. First Coast News' Caitlin Ross joins us live now with more. Caitlin.
Jeannie, what a strong show of support from the community here. Since we arrived and the wake started at 4, the parking lot has been packed, and there's actually a line out the door to get in and show respects to the family. A number of people grieving, consoling each other right inside the parking lot there. A lot of people just trying to make sense of this senseless tragedy. We spoke with his family, who said they just can't understand what happened that night. They were very clear, though, that Jordan was a unifier. He was loved by everyone, and they don't want this to be something that divides the nation. They don't want his death to be in vain, to get people angry about what happened there. They said they want to put him to rest today peacefully. They're then going to do a second wake on Friday closer to his mom's house, and then he'll be laid to rest on Saturday. So while all of this is unfolding here, a lot of people are still trying to put the pieces together. Michelle Casada talked to the lawyers on both sides to figure out just what's going to happen next in this case.
Dunn is charged with second-degree murder and attempted murder for the gate gas shooting that left the high schooler dead. The suspect did not appear in court for his first appearance in Jacksonville Wednesday, but for the first time, both the state and defense attorneys addressed the case.
In the state of Florida, you're not allowed to charge first-degree murder charges without an indictment by a grand jury. We're going to wait for the JSO to finish their investigation. We'll review all the evidence.
Dunn pled not guilty in his first court appearance Monday in Brevard County, where he was arrested. He is expected to appear in court December 19th for his arraignment. As the investigation continues, prosecutors have until December 19th to decide if other charges will be filed.
To charge somebody with first-degree murder, we have to have evidence of premeditation that goes beyond, just a snap.
Attorneys Robin Lemonidis and Mitch Stone are defending Dunn. Lemonidis has made several public comments about how her client reacted to feeling threatened by the teenagers in the car.
You can confirm that Mr. Dunn's defense is that he did see a shotgun in the car?
Absolutely.
Dunn's account of the gas station shooting contradicts JSO's findings that teenagers were unarmed. Lemonidis did not comment on why Dunn fired 8 or 9 rounds into the victim's car, but only that her client did not cause the altercation that led to the shooting over loud music.
By asking politely a fellow citizen of this world to, would you mind turning that down in that tone of voice? If that's precipitating violence, then we're all in trouble.
Lemonidis also didn't answer questions on why Dunn and his girlfriend fled the scene without calling police.
We will have our day in court, and all of the evidence will come out.
Michelle Casada, First Coast News.
Thanks, Michelle. So obviously a lot more to come out about this case, and as soon as we learn anything else, we'll keep you updated online, on air. For First Coast News, I'm Caitlin Ross.
Well, thanks, Caitlin. Two very different stories out there. We appreciate your covering that. Now, let's talk a little about what's coming up tonight at 6 o'clock. What does